Hey guys. Okay, so don't watch my hair. I've been filming with my mini twist and now I've got flat twist. It's not the best, but I just need something a bit different. I was just a bit like, oh, I'm getting a bit tired. But anywho. Okay guys, so I'm going to attempt to do this video standing up, so wish me luck. But today I wanted to do a video about 5 DIY hair products that I can give you, because at the moment of lockdown, I don't even think hardly any hair shops are open. Like, I heard that there was one open in Finsbury Park, but there's hardly any hair shops open, and you can only order hair products online, so Amazon, eBay, whatever. And you know, sometimes the prices can be a bit sky high, you know what I mean? But so if anyone knows any good deals online happening, please let me know. Let's shout out to all the, it's not as easy as it was before lockdown. But before I move on, I think my hands are dry, so I'm gonna put some hand cream on my hands. I love using Aveeno. This is not sponsorship, but I don't want to film the rest with dry hands, so let's so that by the time I start editing, I don't get a heart attack that I had dry hands. Yeah, right. So I'm gonna start off with spray bottle. So I believe that every girl who has natural hair should have a spray bottle. So I did do a video recently on the ingredients that I put on my spray bottle, but just a nice simple spray bottle. You know, you can put bottled water, you can put a bit of aloe vera juice if you have some at home, you can put rose water and glycerin and some essential oils like lavender oil, peppermint oil, rosemary oil. So yeah, as you desire, only just a few drops of the, you know, essential oils please. But it's just like, even if your water bottle has bottled water on it, that's fine. Like, you know, these stuff that I'm just saying are just icing on the cake. You know, you don't have to add the aloe vera juice, you don't have to add the rose water and glycerin if you don't have any of these things. Just a simple water spray bottle with just bottled water is still good enough. Okay, so moisturizing. So for moisturizing, shea butter is amazing. Like, shea butter is an all-rounder. You can use shea butter for your skin, not just your hair, but of course this video is about hair, so I am going to talk about shea butter in the elements for hair. So shea butter is quite heavy. It is very heavy, and it's great to use during the winter months. And don't get me wrong, it is not all for hair types. Sometimes shea butter can be weighing for certain hair types, especially if you're going towards the looser curls hair type. But for those who are going towards the more tighter curls or coils or kinks, then shea butter is very good as a moisturizing tool to use. So in your shea butter, you can add stuff into your shea butter. You know, you can add olive oil, you can add avocado oil, you can add coconut oil, you can add essential oils if you have any, such as, again, lavender, peppermint, rosemary and other essential oils. But again, for the essential oils, you only need a few drops because they're very strong. But you can mix that into your shea butter, make it softer. You can use a whisk, you can use an electric hand whisk as well. My mum, she's old school, mate. She uses a pen. Okay, so on to DIY deep conditioner. So there are so many DIY deep conditioners you can do, and if you have any old ingredients in your house, any ingredients that are about to expire, or you didn't end up using it, you can use it on your hair. So there's different types, there's so many on the internet, but I'm just going to give you this simple one, which is you can mix avocado, banana, coconut milk, honey, and you can all mix that in one. You can blend it, mix it all in one, and put it in your hair, leave it in your hair for half an hour, 45 minutes, an hour, and then wash it out. And this also acts as a deep conditioner. So if you've run out of deep conditioner, whatever is in your house, if you've got any of these ingredients in your house, you might as well mix something, make something, you know, cook up something, you know, for your hair. So that's another one. And there's so many other DIY deep moisturizers that you can make up. It doesn't have to be these ingredients, you can mix it up as well. Okay, hot oil treatments. Before you're gonna do your normal hair wash, you can do hot oil treatments. And again, hot oil treatments could be the oils in your kitchen. Like if you've got olive oil in your kitchen Why not? If you've got coconut oil in your kitchen, why not? If you've got avocado oil, why not? You can mix all of those oils. Okay, let me just do a little pause right there. So a disclaimer for those of you who may be allergic to coconut oil or any of the other oils I have mentioned, you can use jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, argan oil, grapeseed oil, and these are all great alternatives of other oils you can use apart from the others I have mentioned. And you can use that as a hot oil treatment. Like, you just rub that on your hair, rub that on your scalp, give your hair a nice hot oil treatment before you're going to start your hair routine. So that's another one, that's another hack. In case if you don't have your usual oils that you like to get from the hair shop, whatever is in your kitchen, you can mix it up as well. And last but not least, saving the best to last, for those of you on YouTube, for those of you on YouTube, if you have not heard, this one is the best pre-poo treatment at the moment. It is trending right now, which is aloe vera leaf. So we are allowed to go out to buy essentials, right? So if you need to, whilst you're buying your essentials, your food essentials, why not make sure that you get an aloe vera leaf? And with an aloe vera leaf, you can use that as a pre-poo treatment. Obviously you have to cut it up and stuff, like, because it's the gel that you want in the leaf, and you can use that as a pre-poo treatment on your hair. Like the actual gel, you can rub it on your scalp and then rub it on your hair. Sorry, just had to pause then. A motorbike was making noise, but again, you can use that on your hair. You can use that as a pre-poo treatment, and I must say, I sleep with mine overnight before I start my normal hair routine. But when I wake up and when I'm about to wash my hair, the kinks of my hair, they just flourish. Like, it gives my hair a really nice shine. Like, the blackness in my hair just, you know, really pops more. Like, I can just tell that my hair loves the aloe vera treatment, and that's another way that you can do it. So guys, I really hope that these tips, this advice, these DIY hacks that you can put on your hair has helped versus normal hair products that you would get from the shop. I don't know if I mentioned before, but I'm more of a 50-50. So like, I'm 50 like DIY and I'm 50 like using hair products, like my favorite hair products. So like, I'm cool with both. I know that there's some natural sisters, I salute you, who are fully DIYs, and yeah, there's some natural sisters who are fully hair products. So, you know, just during this lockdown, I just wanted to give some of these tips, and hopefully it does help, and hopefully it does, you know, even if you've got some stuff and you don't have others, at least some of these things fill in that gap. So please make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you support a sister. And thank you so much, guys. Until next time.